Good morning, family. I hope you're doing well. It's a beautiful morning here in Earthen, a beautiful sunny morning. Yeah, it's not like yesterday. It was very cold and chilly. But today the weather looks very fantastic. So yesterday I wasn't able to complete my project because we were caught up by the rain, so we were not able to finish it. But today it's so busy there. The project is going on, and as you can hear from my background, it's very busy there. Actually, there's another new project on the way of another project that wasn't complete. So there are two projects going on, so I want to show you guys, and I thank you for this far. I welcome you, I invite you, and I'm so grateful and happy to have you guys with me. So yeah guys, before I go to do my laundry at the river, which is something that I've always been doing here, I want to show you what's going on today in Earthen with the project. So guys, come with me, join me. Habari zenu?
Nzuri sana.
So yeah, Kim. Yeah. So guys, it's here. So far so good. This is where we reached yesterday. Yeah, we lacked some of the materials, but then here today we have everything now today. So today we'll just be able to finish up with my shed. Guys, as I told you, today I'm gonna do my laundry. So let's go, guys. Yes, people, clean water, and it's very cold. Just suitable for this weather because the weather is very sunny today. It's very hot, so this water it's just suitable for the climate. So yeah, I'm not here to shower, I'm here to wash clothes. This water is very cold and also very enjoyable. I can just stay here the whole day just playing with water, and also the sound of the water, it's very therapeutic. So guys, let me just get to my laundry and finish up before the sun goes, because it's a rainy season. And yeah, guys, I'm almost done. Yeah, I'm just rinsing my clothes, then I air them to dry, then I go back home. Yeah. hivyo. So guys, it's time to air my clothes. I know they're going to dry very fast because it's very sunny. And one thing that I came to realize is that when you air your clothes on the ground, they dry very fast, you know. So guys, I just have to relax, wait for my clothes to dry up, then I go back home, you know. So yeah, it's kind of cold here, so I'll just have to sit here and wait for my clothes to dry rather than standing there on the hot sun, you know. Yeah. Welcome back, family. Actually, the finally awaited moment is here. I'm so happy. Yeah, we were waiting for the fixing of the grass on top of the roof, and now it's almost complete. They're just doing the leveling. Yeah, I want to show you. I want to show you this, you know. Come guys. And now it's here, the finally awaited moment now. So we're just doing the leveling up. Guys, I know this looks so good, you know. I didn't know that it could come out this well. It seems like today I'll sleep inside here, you know. Like, I'm so happy. Wow. So guys, yeah, this isn't hard. So it's just leveling up. So yeah guys, my shed is complete, and now we are finishing up with my umbrella. shed.
Tumie kisu kulainisha hiyo.
So guys, actually before this used to be a very hot place. You couldn't stand here like this, but right now it's so cool in here. Yeah, welcome back guys. A very good evening to you all. I'm just so happy this evening, and I know that you guys can guess where I'm happy. The finally awaited moment. I've been just waiting for my shed to be complete, and now I'm so happy that it's already complete. Yeah, and this is how it looks. Oh my god, it looks so good, you know, just the way I wanted it to look. I'm just so happy that it's finally complete. So guys, let me show you how my shed looks from the inside. Yeah, so this is how it looks in the inside. They just had to use the branch sticks. They attached the branch sticks onto the triangular structure which was here. Let me say a triangular prism, because after attaching everything it just came out looking as a triangular prism. After doing that, they just had to align grass on top of another grass, then tie it all around with a string, you know. Guys, this isn't easy. Doing this, you just have to have lots of experience, because you can't align grass on top of another grass then just tie with a string if you don't know how to do it. So I'm so happy that I was able to be here and watch how it happens. And today I just learned how it's done, because I've been seeing these kind of houses, sheds everywhere, but I never knew how they were built. But now I'm so happy I came to just watch, and I enjoyed watching how it's being structured, you know. So guys, my next step, I just want to make my clay jiko here using clay. So I'm gonna build a mount clay jiko which will be just here on the ground using clay, because I told you guys I just want to make everything earthen, you know. So guys, I'm so happy. This kind of shade is just suitable for all kind of conditions. So I can just cook here during a rainy season or during a hot sunny day. And yeah, my umbrella structure is almost complete, but it's not right yet complete, so it will be just completed tomorrow. But it looks very well, you know. So guys, after so my umbrella structure is just gonna stay here. Then I'm planning on after making my clay jiko, I'm planning on making a clay oven which will be just suited there. So after I make my clay jiko, I'm gonna make my clay oven, and it's just gonna stand there, you know. That's a perfect place for it. And then I know it will look so good, you know. So this is what I've been wanting, and I'm so happy that it's turning out the way I just wanted it to turn out. And I just thank God, you know, for the far. So guys, yeah, I told you that I'm gonna show you every step that I'm gonna make till I reach till I now settle down and I just start shooting my videos from this place, you know, because it's a very conducive environment and very beautiful place to work in, you know. I surely will enjoy working here because it looks so well, you know. Like guys, just check it out. This came out looking so beautiful, you know, with my clay jiko there and my clay oven there. Oh my god, this is gonna look beautiful, guys. This is what I've always been wanting, and yeah, I'm so happy that it just came out the way I just wanted it to. It just came out so perfectly well, you know. And guys, I'm just planning to clean up this area. I just want to remove all these stones from here. After removing these stones from here, I just want to make sure that I come with a kitchen garden for myself here, because as I told you, I just want to make everything earthen. So I just want to start planting crops for myself. the way I have my kales here, my tomatoes there, and just I just also want to plant other few things here so that it's gonna be easy. It's gonna be easy for me to do all kind of things. So it's gonna be easy for me to harvest. So I just don't have to keep buying and buying groceries. So I'll just get other things from my kitchen farm, which will be very easy, you know. This is always what I have always been wanting, guys, and I'm so happy that I have reached this far with my shed being complete. I'm just so happy, you know. That was the main part of it, and now I'm so happy that it's done with. It's already dealt with. Now I just have to finish up with a few activities that I have: the clay jiko, the clay oven, clean up here and come up with a good kitchen garden for me and a suitable environment, guys. Just want to make sure that I make everything earthen the way it should be. I just want to try planting my new crops and harvesting from my kitchen garden. So guys, I'm so happy for the far that I have reached. No, getting this far isn't easy, and I want to thank all the new subscribers who have already subscribed to my channel. And now I have hit 400 subscribers, and I'm so happy, and I invite more and more people to come and be part of this journey with me. So guys, this is all for today.